If you've ever lost a file because your computer crashed, or you've needed a document on your phone that was only saved on your laptop, this video is going to solve that problem for you permanently. OneDrive is Microsoft's free cloud storage service, and if you have a Microsoft account, you already have access to it right now. 5 gigabytes of free storage, automatic backup for your most important folders, access from any device, and a secure vault for sensitive files, all without paying anything. I'm going to walk you through the whole thing from scratch. By the end of this video, your files will be backing up automatically and you'll be able to access them from anywhere. Let's get started. What OneDrive is and what you get for free. Before we set anything up, let's quickly cover what OneDrive actually is and what you get on the free plan, because a lot of people don't realize how much is included. OneDrive is cloud storage. That means your files live on Microsoft servers on the internet, not just on your local hard drive. If your laptop breaks, gets stolen, or just stops working, your files are still safe and accessible from any other device. With a free Microsoft account, you get 5 gigabytes of storage. That's enough for thousands of documents, hundreds of photos, or a mix of both. If you need more, Microsoft 365 subscriptions start at 100 gigabytes. But for most people just getting started, 5 gigabytes is a solid amount to work with. You can access OneDrive 3 ways. Through the website at onedrive.com, just log in and your files are there. Through the Windows app, which is already built into Windows 10 and 11 and makes OneDrive appear as a folder in File Explorer. And through the mobile app on iPhone or Android, which lets you access and upload files from your phone. Your Microsoft account is the key to all of it. If you have an Outlook, Hotmail, or Live email address, you already have one. If not, creating one is free and takes about 2 minutes. Alright, let's get into it. First step, signing in. On Windows, click the OneDrive cloud icon in your taskbar at the bottom right of your screen. If you don't see it, type OneDrive into the Windows search bar and open it. Sign in with your Microsoft account and follow the setup steps. It only takes a minute. Once you're signed in, OneDrive creates a special folder on your computer. Open File Explorer and you'll see it listed on the left side. It has a small cloud icon next to it. This is your OneDrive folder. Anything you put inside this folder automatically syncs to the cloud. To upload files, you have 2 options. Option 1. Open the OneDrive folder in File Explorer and drag files into it. They sync automatically. Option 2. Go to onedrive.com in your browser, log in, and drag files directly into the web page. Both work the same way. You'll notice small icons appear on your files after syncing. A green checkmark means the file is synced and safe in the cloud. A blue sync icon means it's currently uploading. A cloud icon means it exists online but hasn't been downloaded to this device yet, which leads us to the next feature. This is the feature that makes OneDrive genuinely useful for protecting your files, and most people never set it up. Normally, OneDrive only backs up what you manually put inside the OneDrive folder, but you can tell it to automatically back up your desktop, your Documents folder, and your Pictures folder, the 3 places where most people actually save their files. Here's how to set it up. Click the blue OneDrive cloud icon in your taskbar. Click the gear icon for settings. Go to Settings, then Sync and Backup. Then click Manage Backup. You'll see checkboxes for Desktop, Documents, and Pictures. Turn on whichever ones you want and click Save Changes. From that point on, anything you save to those folders, a file on your desktop, a document you download, a photo you transfer from your phone, gets backed up to OneDrive automatically in the background. You don't have to think about it. It just happens. If you ever get a new computer, sign into OneDrive, and all of those files come back. That's the peace of mind this feature gives you. Files on demand. Save space on your device. Here's a common problem. You want your files backed up to the cloud, but you don't want them taking up space on your hard drive. Maybe you have a laptop with limited storage, and you can't afford to have everything downloaded locally. Files on Demand solves this. When it's turned on, your files show up in File Explorer as if they're there. You can see them, search them, organize them, but they aren't actually downloaded to your device until you open them. They live in the cloud and only come down when you need them. To turn it on, click the OneDrive cloud icon in your taskbar, go to Settings, then Sync and Backup, and look for Files on Demand. Make sure it's enabled. You can also control this, file by file. Right-click any file in your OneDrive folder, and you'll see options. Keep on this device, which downloads it permanently for offline access, or Free Up Space, which removes the local copy, but keeps it in the cloud. This gives you fine control over exactly what's stored locally, and what stays online only. 2 more features worth knowing before we finish. First, sharing. OneDrive makes it easy to send files to other people without attaching anything to an email. Right-click any file or folder in your OneDrive, either in File Explorer or on the website, and select Share. You can generate a link that anyone can use to view or download the file. Or you can set it so only specific people with a Microsoft account can access it. You can also set the link to expire after a certain date, or allow view-only access so the recipient can't edit the file. This is much cleaner than emailing large attachments. Second, Personal Vault. This is a special protected folder inside OneDrive that requires extra verification to open, either a PIN, fingerprint, or an authentication code sent to your email or phone. It's designed for sensitive files, passport scans, financial documents, ID photos, anything you want an extra layer of security on. To access it, open OneDrive and look for Personal Vault in the folder list. The first time you open it, it walks you through the verification setup. After a period of inactivity, it locks itself automatically. Let's do a quick recap of everything we covered. What OneDrive is, and what you get free. 5 GB, accessible via web, Windows, or mobile. Signing in and uploading. The OneDrive folder in File Explorer, and drag and drop on the website. Automatic folder backup. Setting up desktop, documents, and pictures to sync in the background through Manage Backup. Files on Demand. Keeping files in the cloud and only downloading them when you open them to save local storage space. Sharing. Generating links to send files without email attachments, with access controls and expiry options. And Personal Vault, a separately locked folder for sensitive documents. This is one of those things where setting it up once gives you protection forever. Do it today, and you won't have to worry about losing files again. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if there's a specific Microsoft app or Windows feature you want me to cover next.